Hello there. Welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. I thank all my subscribers and returnees. Welcome to Nana's channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Welcome again to Nana's channel. Now, today, I'm going to talk to you about our finished pattern. Let the camera focus. 6018, Butterick 6018. This is all done. But one thing I forgot to tell you is when I told you about the buttons, I didn't tell you about the zipper on the left hand side. So the dress is all done. Actually, it's all done. Okay, it's all done. Now the hem, what I did is to just serge it and roll it down from the serging edge. Okay, so it's about a quarter. Okay, now the sleeve, as I told you, I wasn't crazy about the how this is sticking out, so this is how I finish mine. I overlap the front to the back and I put a button there. Okay, so this is how I finished it, and the buttons are all done. Okay, now the inside, I just hold on just a second. I have to take the coat hanger out. The zipper, they recommend 14 inches. And this type of style is a little bit hard to get in, so I did my 18 instead of 14 inches. Okay, so I did my 18, so it will be easier for me to get in and out. This is how I finished the facing. I just tack. Let me take my time so the camera can focus. I tack there, that seam. Okay, and then the back facing, I tack it at the shoulder seam. Now, when I tried my dress on, I noticed my back is loose and my waist was also loose. So all what I did is I put 2 dots. Let's see if you can focus. Yeah, it's taking a long time to get it. Here we go. I put 2 dots in there. Okay, I didn't take it apart because I could easily take it apart and put a dot at the bodice and then take in at the center back, but I didn't do that. I just put in 2 dots. Okay, and other than that, everything is done. Everything is done. Ready to wear, ready to go. And then the lapel wing, I tack the corners down because my material is a medium weight, so for it to lie down smoothly, I tack the corners down. Okay, I think now this thing is focusing. Good. Excuse me. So we finished with this pattern. Finish. Now I'm thinking for us to make a jacket. This is a fully lined jacket. It's a jacket that you can wear all year around. Okay, depending on the fabric that you pick. It's Butterick 6602. Butterick 6602. And it's a nice jacket. This one has the piping at the end, so I'm going to do style A. Yeah, I think that's, yeah, that's the style A. So Butterick 6602. Very lovely. Okay, so today is short and sweet. Everything is done. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.